Hello viewers, welcome to today's tutorial. We're going to be doing conjugate and rationalization of a sort. What is the conjugate of 2 minus root 3? We're simply going to change the sign, the negative sign, to a positive, which is going to give us 2 plus root 3. For the second one, which is 2 plus root 3, will now be 2 minus root 3. What is rationalization? Rationalization is simply doing away with the radical, the root at the denominators. How do we rationalize 3 root 5? We're going to multiply both the denominator and the numerator by root 5, which is 3 over root 5 times root 5 all over root 5. 3 times root 5 is equal to 3 root 5. Root 5 times root 5 will be having root of 5 squared, which have 3 root 5. Square will cancel root. We'll be having this. So this is how to rationalize 3 root. For this, we are going to multiply both the denominator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator, which is 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. The conjugate will now be 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. So we'll be having 2 root 3 plus 3 root 2 all over 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 times the conjugate 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 all over 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. I'm going to, this will multiply the whole of this and this will multiply the whole of this, which will be having 2 root 3 open bracket 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. This will also multiply the whole of this. We are having 3 root 2 open bracket 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 close bracket all over. This is like difference of 2 squares, so we'll pick this and square it. 3 root 2 all squared minus 2 root 3 all squared. 2 root 3 times 3 root 2 will be having 2 times 3 is 6. Root 3 times root 2 will be having root 6. 2 root 3 times 2 root 3 will be having 4 root 9. 3 root 2 times 3 root 2 will be having 9 root 4. 3 root 2 times 2 root 3 will be having 6 root 6 all over. 3 square is 9. Square will cancel root and we'll be having times 2 minus square root of 2 is 4 times root, square will cancel root, we'll be having 3. So this is going to be 6 root 6 plus 4. Square root of 9 is 3 plus 9. Square root of 4 is 2 plus 6 root 6 all over. 9 times 2 is 18 minus 4 times 3 is 12. So we'll be having 4 times 2 is 4 times 3 is 12. 9 times 2 is 18 plus 6 root 6 plus 6 root 6 will be having 12 root 6 all over 18 minus 12 is 6. This is going to be 30, 12 plus 18 plus 12 root 6 all over 6. Then we're having a common factor here, which is 6. 6 into factor at 6 from 30, we'll be having 5 plus factor 6 from 12, we're having 2 all root 6 all over 6. And 6 will cancel 6. And we'll be left with 5 plus 2 root 6. This is our final answer.